Today, the Australian Oceans holds 6 of the world's 7 endangered marine turtle species. The green sea turtle, Clina midris, lives in the coastal waters, seagrass, coral reefs, and in our oceans. They are presumably to be entirely herbivores and will feed on the available seagrass and algae. But sadly, these gorgeous turtles have become listed as endangered and vulnerable under the INCU conservation list due to threats and dangers caused by our human impacts to our oceans. This documentary's purpose is to educate individuals on the green sea turtle, the dangerous and devastating effects of ocean pollution, and how we as a society can become socially aware to help preserve our marine sea life and our oceans. Green sea turtles are now in constant endangerment from the underlying problems and impacts of ocean pollution. Survival has become increasingly difficult because of the struggle of survival in our oceans filled with pollution. So what exactly is ocean pollution? So water pollution is a contamination of several types of water bodies, specifically ocean pollution. This type of pollution is a form of environmental when marine pollutants are directly and indirectly brought into the water. Did you know on average every year Australia uses around 300,000 tonnes of plastic, with only 12% becoming recycled? Researchers discovered there has become a 1 in 5 chance of death for a green sea turtle that will have consumed one piece of plastic or waste product. Even though our green sea turtles have become affected from pollution in our ocean, they are now becoming affected from land pollution. They become affected from the amounts of plastic on our ocean shores when they come to lay eggs. Now they simply just give up due to the amount of plastic on the beach. What is awful is that only 1 in 1,000 eggs survive to become full-term adults, making the survival of the green sea turtle crucial. Scientific examinations took place on deceased turtle hatchlings, and the results concluded that there are a large % death rate of hatchlings from the cause of pollution of ingestion of tar balls, which is the formation of oil floating in the ocean. From the research, data, and facts presented, the effects of the green sea turtle as an endangered species is fact, and the opinions are seen from both sides of the story. Evidence from websites, documentaries, news, books, and by even conservationists have become highly credible from information on the facts that reveal the truth about plastic and what we have done to the oceans. From the statistics provided, the graph represents the green sea turtle numbers and show that they are drastically declining in numbers, not only from Australian waters but around the world, including Hawaii, Oahu, and Rota. We need to listen to the facts and not base from others' opinion. Today, the population has started to become to an understanding of ocean pollution and what we are doing to our planet. Unfortunately, third world and developing countries are unable to become to the state of their rubbish and pollution problem because of measures of costing figures. Others simply do not care and continue to dispose and throw materials on our land and oceans. The green sea turtle is the largest turtle species of the world and is located not only in Australian waters but third world countries and regions of the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and parts of the Atlantic Ocean. The fight of plastic material profits around the world, according to Dr. Kwame Schuller, a marine scientist of the University of Queensland, states that plastic is currently becoming produced at an exponential increasing rate, but globally our waste disposal technology is not increasing. In Australia, the green sea turtle is located in the ocean waters and is critically endangered in the areas of Java, Indonesia, and Bali. Sadly, these green sea turtles are used for commodity purposes. In order to combat this issue of human consumption, the government and conservationists have developed forms of education, patrols for beaches, ecotourism, and government-imposed consumption limits. I believe that we as individuals need to critically analyse the facts presented to us and think about how we need to do our bit to help preserve our gorgeous green sea turtles and our marine life.
We are at a unique stage in our history. Never before have we had such an awareness of what we are doing to the planet. And never before have we had the power to do something about that. Surely we have a responsibility to care for our blue planet. The future of humanity, and indeed all life on Earth, now depends on us.
We need to say no to the plastic shopping bags, bottles, single-use packaging, and non-recyclable products, and say yes to the biodegradable shopping bags, purchase environmentally sustainable cans and water bottles, and reusable items. We need to throw our waste in the rubbish bins provided for us. We all should become involved in cleaning initiatives, including a Clean Up Australia Day and coast care groups to help clean our beaches from the disastrous amounts of rubbish pollution. So what are you going to do to help us?